How you doing today?
Well, I'm doing pretty good. In the mornings, I got a little strength in there.
All right.
But that's
All right.
about it.
We'll
Yeah.
see what we can do about that.
Yeah.
Well, you just had your 105th birthday, and we wanted to celebrate with you.
Yeah.
So we got a sign for you. So everybody knows how old you are now. You can put this out in front of your house. Say, Hank's 105 years old.
That's right. That's something.
All right, so you can take that with you when you leave.
Okay.
We're going to give you a treatment today, okay?
All right.
Come on up here, let's take a look at you.
Okay.
So your lower back's doing okay?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. There we go. If you have any restrictions in your upper back or neck that might contribute to that. Little rotation up on that right side. And then one right there. Your old nasty L5. We're going to roll this back, Hank. Adjust there. Oh man. You got it good, brother. I'm going to bring the table up. And turn you on your side here. Facing me. There we go. That was a fun mug that you guys handed out for your birthday. Everyone liked that.
And then what now?
The little mug that you guys hand out for your birthday with all the hats on it. That was nice. Let's go right here. Pull L5 towards me. And there it goes. On your back.
It's a little better what it was.
Yeah, I agree. Alright, just one spot at the top here. And there you go. So you got to share with us one secret, okay? One secret to your longevity of life. How come you get to be 105 years old and most people don't get to do that? What do you do different that we could do better?
I think it's the genes.
Yeah?
I've got an aunt that got to be 99,
Yeah.
and I got another one that got to be 93 or 4,
Okay.
and a cousin got to be 107.
Wow.
So
How about your sisters? How old are they now?
she's 99.
Yeah.
She'll be and next month she'll be 99.
There you go.
Yeah.
So yeah, there is some good genetic material there, huh? Good genes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you eat smart too, though, don't you?
The what?
You eat smart. You eat well.
Oh yeah. I just don't down everything down there, you know.
Yeah.
I watch that.
Yep.
Yeah. I watch the drinks. You can drink lots of water.
Yeah. And you don't drink ice cold things.
I don't drink no cold drinks. The drinks that comes on the tap, I put in the mic. Yeah, I don't drink no cold drinks.
Yeah. And you like rabbit and walnuts, right?
Yeah, rabbit, walnuts,
Eggs,
and fish.
fish.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for sharing that. Happy birthday to you, brother.
All right.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it. Yeah.